Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Clicking sounds in your toaster usually come from the heating element turning on and off quickly. To fix this, unplug the toaster and clean out any crumbs inside. Crumbs can cause uneven heating and noise. Also, make sure the crumb tray is properly in place. If the clicking keeps happening, the thermostat or switch might need professional repair. Regular cleaning can prevent these sounds.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.